Hello everyone, welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy S12 call problem or incoming call not showing on display problem in Samsung Galaxy F12. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix incoming calls problem, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.